See here, this is the another one typical problem. Here they ask her to locate the centroid of the lamina shown in the figure with respect to the point A. Okay, so A it is here. Okay, so A it is here. So with respect to this, you need to determine the centroid of this section. So as soon as you see this figure, so you have to know that this is the x-axis. Here the x-axis, whatever the dotted points we have seeing here, so that is an x-axis, and this is a y-axis. Okay, so this is what the black color shaded area is there now. To this area you need to be find out the centroid of the this section. So centroid consider it will comes here. Okay, if it is comes here. Okay, so either if you fold in the x direction, if you fold like this in the x direction, or if you fold in a y direction like this, it is not symmetrical. You have to cut the section here, here and here. You have to cut it, and you have to fold like this. Okay, so you will not get any symmetrical. Okay, I will show you once again on just 1 minute. See, this is the whatever the model is there, it has been showing like this. I'm showing exactly. Okay, so you have to resume like this. Okay, so I will fold exactly. Consider centroid will exist at here. Okay, centroid will exist here in this. Okay, it will exist here. Okay, see here, so this is what the centroidal x-axis and the y-axis. The centroid will exist at this point from the center. Okay, from an origin here, whatever the origin A is there. Okay, to that origin here, origin from here to here, center what is there. So consider the origin will exist from here to here, whatever the distance is there, that is x bar and y bar. You need to determine that x bar and y bar. Okay, now you fold like this and you fold like this. It should be symmetrical. I will fold it and I will show you just a second. See here, so whatever the section is there, so center I want to bend it like this. So if I bend like this, and this is the triangular part. Okay, so if I keep like this, I will not get exactly symmetrical. Okay, see here, it is not symmetrical. It is not symmetrical. An extra side is there, so it is also a quadrant. Okay, so it is not similar to x-axis. So like that, similarly the y-axis also. So y-axis also you need to fold here. See here, whatever the line is showing here, if I fold like this, this side, whatever this side is there, this one and this one is not similar to this one and this one. Okay, this is not similar to this one and this is not similar to this one. Like that, same way here also, the whatever the top portion is there, this is not similar to this one. So it is not symmetrical either for this one to either in x direction or in the y direction. X direction is like this, sorry, this is y direction, so you have to bend like this, so moving towards the y axis. So if the bend takes place towards the y direction in the y axis, so it is you have to see the symmetrical in y axis. So here, so this is in the moving towards the x axis. Okay, you are moving in the x axis, you need to fold like this. Okay, you need to fold like this. This whatever the side line is there, this side, right hand side should fold like this. So you're folding with respect to x-axis. So whatever x-axis is here, so you're folding like this. So it has to, you have to see the symmetrical towards the x-axis. So it is not symmetrical to x-axis as well as the y-axis. So you need to determine x bar and y bar. Okay, centroid with respect to origin A. Okay, you need to determine it. Okay, so this is about the what you need to determine for this lamina. Okay, so you can call it as a lamina. So whatever the shaded area is there, dark black color shaded area, you need to find out the area of, sorry, centroid of this shaded area. Okay, so the whatever the given section is there, so we need to centroid of, finding the centroid of each one. Okay, so as soon as you see this figure, you need to determine what is the total number of the sections are there. See here, if you take the dotted lines, whatever it is, dotted lines is there. Okay, so you can see this one as a one rectangle, this one as a one rectangle. Okay, another second, and the another area is right angle triangle. The third one is a quadrant. Okay, this quadrant is there. No, this is a third area. What you have to do is, you have to take this rectangle plus this right angle triangle minus of this area, minus whatever it is there, you have been removed. Okay, then this is what the left out area. So every question whatever they have given, you have, as soon as you see the figure, you should come to the mind that, oh, there is a one rectangular section was there, another right angle triangle is there. So in the in the rectangle section, a quadrant has been removed. Okay, so whatever the left out area, whatever it is there, you have to determine the center of this section. Okay, this you should come to your mind. Okay, that is what the first thing you have to do it. Okay, see here, so whatever the section, so as you see in the figure of this one, so you this rectangle you can find it, but if you see the right angle first area, the rectangle, if you see it, the length is, this one is the given, but they have not given this one. Okay, so indirectly they have given. How they are given, I will tell you. Okay, so you see the question correctly here. See here, this whatever the radius is there, if you, this radius, if you bring it here, from here to here is nothing but the radius, that is 40 mm. So from here to here it is 20 mm. So totally this length from here to here, it is this radius 40 and another is 20, so totally 60 mm. So 60 mm is the length, and here to here it is, so if you bring the radius here also, so it will be 40. So if you draw a one line here, if you draw one line here, so up to here it is a 40. See here, up to 40. Okay, how it comes means, here 40 means, so you bring the radius, whatever the triangle, whatever the arrow is there, you bring it like this. Okay, so you bring whatever it is there, you bring like this. So you will get 40, from here to here it is 40, from here to here it is 40. It will be remain same, quadrant remain, the radius from either you bring from anywhere else, it remains same. Okay, see here, you bring anywhere else, it remains same. Okay, so that is about the area. Here to here it is 40, so you draw a line, so from here to here you will get it as 40. Okay, this height is 40, this is already 20, from here to here it is nothing but a radius of, that is 40. So 40 plus 40, 40 plus 20, 60. From here to here it is 40. So 60 into 40, area of the rectangle one. Okay, so total height is 70. From here to here it is 40. So 70 minus 40 is, here it is 30. Okay, this is 40. How it is 30 will comes means, that is 70 minus 40. Okay, 70 minus 40, it is 30 here. Okay, so this is 40. So this is what we find area finding. You see here the area, here it is 30, the total height is 30, and the length is year to year it is 40, year to year it is 40, year to year 60. This is 40. This is total height from here to here it is 30. Okay, so you should know this. You have to take this corner only. Either you go in this direction or you go in here, that is 1/3. If you come from here it is 2/3. Okay, this is 1/3 and this is also 1/3. If you come from this side it is 2/3. Here also if you come it is 2/3. Okay, we will see that later. First we will go for the rectangle one. So rectangle one, year to year it is 40, year to year it is 20. So total length from year to year it is 60, year to year it is 60. Okay, so year to year is 40. Area, first area is, this is the first area, second area and third area. Okay, here we are given the name G2, G3, G1, G2, G3. Okay, so for this one, if you see here, the rectangle one, if you see here, this is the total in 60. At 30 you will get the centroid for the rectangle one, and 40 is the total height. So exactly at the 20. So 40 from here, 20 from here, you will get G1. Okay, so G1 is the 60 into 40. Area is 60 into 40. But if you take X from here to here center, so total length it is 60 divided by 2, rectangle, no? So divided by 2 you do it. So exactly at 30. So here exactly at 30, X is 30 for the rectangle. So X is 30. But what is about the height? So height is the height is 40. 40 divided by 2 you do it 20. So 20 from here to here it is 20. This is Y. So write it Y. So this will be X1, Y1, first area. Okay, next you go for the second area, this one. Okay, so you need to determine X distance from here to here and Y distance from here to here. So G specific centroid for the rectangle one, right angle triangle you have to determine. So consider you will get here. So you should get it from here and you should get it from here. So this from here to here height is known, that is 40, but here to here you need to determine. So this height, if you come from this corner it is 1/3. If you come from here it is 1/3. Don't forget it is 1/3. Okay, 1/3. If you come from here to here it is 1/3. But we need to determine, you need to determine here to here it is X. Okay, X distance. Okay, you need to get it from here, no? So you need no need to get it from here. In this direction you need not to determine, because origin, whatever the center is there, you should get it from this point. Whatever the section is there, individual one each section you take. So centroid, the distance from the origin to the respective centroid of individual area, you need to first you have to determine. Okay, origin to the respective centroid distance you need to determine. So you need to determine, that means, so you need to get it from here to here it is X distance and here to here it is Y distance. So here it is this whatever 40 plus, the first I will go for the X direction. So X direction, if you come from this end it is a 2/3. So sharp end, if you come for the for the centroid, from this sharp end it is 2/3 of its length. So 2/3 of 2/3 of the base. What is the base? Base is 60. Okay, base is 60. So you will get cancel. 20 into 20 is a 320 is a 60. So 20 into 2 it is 40. Center distance will be 40. Here it is written. Okay, so next is the distance from here to here. Okay, so from here to here it is 40. 40 plus, what is the height? This the height you have to take it. So if you go from here to here, okay, that's nothing but here to here. Okay, that is 1/3. So 1/3 of the height is 30. Okay, so if you cancel it you will get 10. So this is 40 and this is 10. Okay, centroid distance will be 10. It is written here. Okay, so that's what, from here to here it will be distance is 10. So total distance is, see here, the X distance from here to here it is 40. So right angle triangle 40 it is written. Okay, but if you count it for from here to here, from here to here it is 40. This is height here, it is 40 plus 10, so 50. So it is why it is been written 50. Okay, don't get confused, don't get confused. It is very simple. The whatever the distance is there, centroid will be there. The distance, you what is the axis is there, from here to here you find it, and whatever the axis is there, from here to here you find it. So that will be the x direction and x distance, and this is the y distance. Okay. So you have to find like that. Okay, so second one is over. Next is third one. Okay, third one, area is pi, the quadrant is pi r square. Okay, so r radius is nothing but 40 for the this quadrant. Okay, radius is 40 because it is given in the question. You see here, radius is 40 for the quadrant. Okay, so that's why area is pi r square divided by 4. So radius is 40, you write it 40 in the place of for radius. So pi r square divided by 4. But this and this whatever the area is there, that is been removed. Okay, so that's why minus. Okay. Next is the x distance and y distance. So from, if you, this is the, consider this is the area. Okay, either you come from here or you go in this direction. Okay, center will exist here. Okay, either if you come here, that is 4r by 3 pi. Okay, so whatever the centroid distance is there, that is 4r by 3 pi. So radius is 40 divided by 3 pi. 4r. Okay, 4 is constant, 3 pi is a constant, where radius is 40, you insert the value of 40. So if you keep it as it is, so 4r by 3 pi here and 4r divided by 3 pi from here to here. This distance is 4r by 3 pi, and this distance also 4r by 3 pi, centered of this quadrant. Okay, so that's why x distance is 4r by 3 pi and y distance also 4r by 3 pi, but area is pi r square divided by 4. Okay, that is for quadrant. So r is 40 I have used here. So this is what the component you have to use it. Later, after using this, so either you find out the summation of area of all this, summation of area of all the area 1, area 2, area 3, that is 2043, you will get it. Next, after doing this, so another one, after x, finding x and y, you find it ax and ay also. Ax and ay, separate one table, you put it and find it. If you want, you find it. That will be easy. That will not be easy. So you need you have to multiple this with this and this with this, and you have to write respective. If you multiple a with x, write in this column. If you multiple a with y, you write it in this column. Okay, that is for first area. So this will be a1 x1, this will be a2 y2, a1 x, a2 x2, a3 x3. Next is a1 y1, a2 y2, a3 y3. Okay, like that it will proceed. So if you don't want another table and all, means you just leave it. You take this one as a1, a2 and a3, this one as x2, x3. Okay, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. So 3 areas is there, so that's why you will get like this. Okay, next what you do is write down x bar. Okay, you need to determine x bar and y bar now. So x bar is equal to summation, you remember this formula, a into x divided by summation of area. So just whatever it is there, in cyclic order you expand it. a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3, you write it, divided by, it is whatever the area is there, expanded. So a1 a2 a3. So whatever a1 and x1 value is there, a1 and x1, you write it. a2 x2 is there, a2 x2 substitute it, a3 x3 is there, substitute it. So like that, area 1, area 2, area 3 here substitute it. Okay, so then you will get x bar. So x bar you will get it as 42.41 like this. Okay, after substituting the each value, then you find it, add all together for the numerator, and all whatever the denominator is there, add all together. So divide numerator divided by denominator, so you will get x bar as 42.41. So this is the best way, rather than doing another a1 ax and ay like that. So you stop here only and find out like this. Okay, so that will be more it will be more easy, and you will also not do any mistakes. Okay, so same way, similarly like that, y bar is equal to summation of ay divided by summation of area. Okay, this also is like that, a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3, so divided by whole divided by area 1 area 2 plus area 3. So a1 is this one, you substitute it, y1 is this one, substitute it, y1 is 20. Okay, so next is a2 is this one, a3 is sorry, y3 y a2 is this one, y2 is this one. Okay, so a2 is 60 into 30, that is 1800, you will get it. In the place of a2 you write it as 1200. y2 is 50, you write it as 50. Okay, next a3 is whatever it is here, you write it as a3 and into y3, so whatever it is there here, you write it as y3. Okay, so next one, area 1, this one 60 into 40, you write it as area 1, half into 60 into 30, you write it in the place of a2, in the place of a3 by 40 square divided by 4, whatever it is there, you write it as a3. So finally y bar also you will get around how much, 35.07 mm. Okay, so this is what you will get it. After multiplying everything, you will get like this, 71,666, and after multiplying adding all together area 1 area 2 area 3, you will get 2043. So that will be totally after dividing this, you will get 35.07 mm. So that is y bar. Okay, so this is how you have to find out the y bar. Okay, so after finding the y bar, write on figure. Okay, write on figure whatever the section is there, whatever the section is there, write it as it is. Okay, so this is the given section. Okay, so this is what the given section, so you will get the centroid here. So okay, this is the y distance is 35.07. okay, so x distance from here to here, x distance is 42.41. so finally you write this. Okay, this is this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, for this is the given section. Can you see it? From here to here, x distance is 42.41, and from here to here it is 35.07 mm. So this is what the y distance. This is y bar. Okay, this is x bar. Okay, 42.01, and this is y bar. Okay. So this is what the y bar looks like, and x bar looks like this. After multiplying this one individual product, so adding all together numerator, you will get this value, so divided by this value. This is x bar.